This video shows the steps to install a new shower drain after the tub was removed. What makes this project tricky is you have to connect to the existing drain without a leak and without having to install a brand new drain line from the middle of the house, which has terrazzo floors. Open up the area around the pipe. In this case, we're cutting out concrete, not shown. Then dismantle the piping. Here we're desoldering the pipe. We don't want to just cut it off. Maybe we could find a good connection for our tie-in to the new drain. It appears as if that second pipe wasn't actually soldered in. We took out the nipple since the system, we couldn't really use, the configuration wasn't there to get it right. The elevations were off. To get the elevations right, we cut off the lead pipe lower. I cleaned up the wall area around the vicinity of the drain pipe. The details are not shown here. I used a pipe wrench to improve the round on this lead pipe. This animation shows how to make the connection for your drain. You add flexible connectors. In this case, we use 2 elbows. You can adjust the length by putting in a spacer pipe and tying it with stainless steel clamps. Add sand, and then once you're satisfied with the connection, you add concrete. Then you add a shower liner. Then you install the stainless steel drain assembly and add mortar, and then finally you add the tile to match the elevation of your drain. To recap with pictures, there's the lead pipe, flexible boot with cover insulation, mix the concrete and pour the concrete. Here is the concrete, and that's the clamp tying into your drain. Then you put in your liner. Here's the mortar being placed underneath the liner to level it off and get ready for the tile work. The mortar is leveled and placed underneath the liner, and then the liner is glued to the walls. The shower drain is now ready for tile. The tile is cut to be butted up to the stainless steel drain assembly, and here is the stainless steel floor drain.